YouTube! These are my now 10-week-old chickens and the chicken coop. Sorry that I didn't make a video last week. Okay, so this is the inside. They aren't old enough to lay eggs, but we still put some nesting boxes. And this is the inside of the coop. We now have a nipple waterer and feeder, and you have a little catwalk for them up there and roosting poles. And they have a little skylight roof. I think it's really cool. Okay, moving on. Okay, so now you can see my 10-week-old chickens. So you can probably remember this one's Blueberry right there. Hi, Blueberry. This is the one I'm touching. It's Blueberry. This one that I'm touching is Rosie. This one, she's kind of the scaredy second, is Ellie. And the smaller white one is Carly. Hi, Carly. They have this waterer for them and a second feeder for the run. The temporary run, where I made some of my other videos, is still there. Thanks for watching.